Only because that takes getting used to. This back fish will happen, especially if you work this underside first. What you're isolating, what you're trying to damage is that exact muscle right there. If you think knife and you cut that, it immobilizes the arm. Same thing, when you strike the nerve, arm goes dead.
I even felt that a little bit.
Right, that underside, this backside you're going to get all day. That's the whole of that muscle. When you really want to isolate the nerve bundle that controls it, that's what that's there for. Stay offline. You never want to stand in front of a punch thinking that you're going to. And that's the reason why we run footwork at the beginning of every class. This translates into this. Yeah? And hit
Now
off.
we're going to try split, which is here. You do your split entry, you would be here. You parry and then punch to the face. For this one, you're going to parry. Your second knuckles are going to strike. You strike it in like a shearing fashion. You want to strike the bicep and hit down. Okay. Because normally you come in with something else next. It's going to spin around. But for right now, we're just going to go here. Now, remember to go to the outside. Because if I go to the inside, I got to look out for this one too. I'm putting myself in a lot of danger here. When you practice this one, don't do them with the knuckles. You can do one or two to try it. Don't keep doing it because you're going to get real sore. So typically what we do, just open the hand and you just slap. And even that stings after a while. So just here. Okay, so here again we can alternate. He comes in. Okay, let's try that.
You got it, man. Same thing, right? Yeah. There you go. Okay, now for this one, you're going under, and you're undercutting. Cutting the bottom side of that isn't going to cause as much damage.
20 seconds in this time.
Okay.
You're going to make it. Yeah. Same thing with that. So even with
Do
this
you want to get hit 3 times with this?
you want to kind of all on top, still a little bit movement. You want to slice it across that nerve. So you want to see it. Yep.
Let me do it slow.
Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah.
You don't just let it go off. You do it a couple times. You gotta get close to it.
Yeah.
So when you come in, like that, you want to be in here. Just still stay there. All right?